The city of Galena Park, we're a city of 5 square miles. We have roughly 11,000 people that live here. We are surrounded by the largest petrochemical complex in the world. We're neighbors with the Port of Houston, the Houston Ship Channel. Being on the Texas Gulf Coast, we're very susceptible to hurricanes, flooding. This year we've had the derecho that came through. We also suffered from Hurricane Beryl. We also had some of the petrochemical industry spilled into the floodwaters.
No más que sí, cuando he ido en unas calles está bastante agua, se acumula bastante agua cuando son las lluvias.
De que es un ambiente, ¿verdad? De que está muy contaminado, que hay millones de partículas extendidas en el aire que respiramos.
So we've been working with Texas A&M University now for over 5 years. Texas A&M has helped us develop a master plan for the city. Being a small city, we don't have the money to develop these plans to deal with very complex issues, environmental issues, flooding issues. And A&M really brings significant expertise. That's sort of my vision for the city is to have good drinking water, to have a good sewer system, to have great streets, to have wonderful parks, to give the citizens here the best options and protections that they have.